The benefits and risks of promethazine. What you need to know. Promethazine is a prescription medication used to treat a variety of ailments. It's commonly used as a sedative, antihistamine, and anti-nausea drug, but can also be used to treat motion sickness, insomnia, and anxiety. While it's an effective medication, it also carries some risks that must be understood before taking it. In this article, we'll explore the benefits and risks of promethazine and what you need to know to make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. We'll also look at how to use it safely and what to watch out for. With the right information, you can make sure promethazine is a safe and effective choice for your condition. What is promethazine? Promethazine is an antihistamine and sedative drug used to treat allergies, motion sickness, and nausea. It's also used to induce sleep and treat anxiety. Promethazine helps block the action of histamine, a substance in the body that causes allergic reactions. It can also block some of the effects of natural chemicals in the body that cause nausea and vomiting. Promethazine is available in tablet, capsule, liquid, and suppository forms. It's also available in combination with other medications such as acetaminophen, codeine, and hydrocodone. Promethazine is available in both prescription and over-the-counter forms. Benefits of promethazine. Promethazine is an effective medication for many conditions. It can help reduce allergies, nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness. It can also be used to sedate and induce sleep in people who have difficulty sleeping. Promethazine can also help reduce anxiety and can be used to help with pain relief when taken in combination with other medications. Promethazine is generally considered safe when taken as prescribed and monitored by a doctor. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of the potential side effects and risks. Common uses of promethazine. Promethazine is most commonly used to treat allergies, motion sickness, and nausea. It can also be used to induce sleep and treat anxiety. It's also commonly used in combination with other medications such as acetaminophen, codeine, and hydrocodone to treat pain. Promethazine is also used to treat conditions such as hives, itching, and rashes. It can also be used to reduce the effects of certain drugs that cause nausea and vomiting. Potential side effects of promethazine. Promethazine is generally considered safe when taken as prescribed and monitored by a doctor. However, it can cause some side effects including drowsiness, dry mouth, dizziness, blurred vision, and constipation. It can also cause confusion, agitation, and nightmares in some people. It's important to talk to your doctor if you experience any of these side effects. Your doctor may recommend reducing the dose or changing the medication. How to use promethazine safely. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions when taking promethazine. Make sure to read the label carefully and take only the recommended dose. Do not take more than the recommended dose or take it for longer than recommended by your doctor. It's also important to take promethazine with food or milk to reduce the risk of stomach upset. Do not take it if you have had an allergic reaction to it or any of its ingredients. Interactions with other drugs. Promethazine can interact with some medications. Make sure to tell your doctor about any other medications you are taking, including prescription, over-the-counter, herbal, and supplements. This will help your doctor determine if promethazine is safe and effective for you. Promethazine can also interact with alcohol, making it more likely to cause drowsiness and dizziness. Avoid driving or operating machinery while taking promethazine and drinking alcohol. Risks of taking promethazine. Promethazine carries some risks when taken in large doses or for a long period of time. It can cause drowsiness, dizziness, confusion, and agitation. It can also cause an irregular heartbeat, seizures, and breathing problems. There are also risks for people with certain medical conditions. People with breathing problems, glaucoma, or asthma should not take promethazine. It can also cause dangerous side effects in people with certain heart or blood pressure conditions. It's important to talk to your doctor before taking promethazine if you have any of these conditions. When to avoid taking promethazine. Promethazine should be used with caution in people with certain medical conditions. People with breathing problems, glaucoma, or asthma should not take promethazine. It can also cause dangerous side effects in people with certain heart or blood pressure conditions. It's important to talk to your doctor before taking promethazine if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. It's also important to avoid taking promethazine if you are taking any other medication, including over-the-counter medications, herbal supplements, or vitamins. Alternatives to taking promethazine. There are some alternatives to taking promethazine. If you're looking for a medication to treat allergies, motion sickness, or nausea, your doctor may recommend an antihistamine, anticholinergic, or antiemetic. For insomnia, your doctor may recommend taking an over-the-counter sleep aid or a prescription medication. For anxiety, your doctor may recommend talking to a therapist or taking an antidepressant or anti-anxiety medication. Conclusion: promethazine is an effective medication for many conditions. It can help reduce allergies, nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness. It can also be used to induce sleep and treat anxiety. However, it's important to be aware of the potential side effects and risks before taking it. Make sure to talk to your doctor before taking promethazine and follow their instructions. With the right information, you can make sure promethazine is a safe and effective choice for your condition.